resolution of that trademark disputes, it requires a complete careful assessment of a branding, then market positioning, legal consideration, and you have to like a safeguard the brand equity and the reputation. So, once you enter, obviously it will start damaging. If the damage to the brand, it's like a it's like a sometimes means when we deal with the valuation, we say that patent value may not be affected because of collapse of a business many times, because patent standalone, it is a technology related, but trademark valuation immediately it affects, because it goes from, we know the trademark valuation, that is a like $250 billion if I take a plus for the Google, okay. And if or a Kingfisher, you have seen the example, or a Khaitan I guess, right. So, these big well reputed companies, when they go bankrupt, probably the value immediately goes down, the trademark valuation immediately becomes zero, right. So, that damage is very high, okay. So, we will whenever we will enter into that trademark related discussion, we will focus on that.